Hello, in this video I am going to give you an overview of remote sensing and GIS. Every one of us, those who have smartphones, have used Google Maps at least once in lifetime. This is the recent satellite image of MV Ever Given trapped in Panama Canal, and both of these are the products of remote sensing and GIS. A recent development which occurred where a government agency ISRO and a private agency MapMyIndia joined hands to take on Google Maps and Google Earth to create India's indigenous mapping portal, and this too will be possible with the help of remote sensing and GIS. Then what is remote sensing? Remote sensing is an art and science of obtaining information about an object without in contact with that. How will we do this? We will obtain information about an object with the help of sensors which are fitted to the platforms, which may be ground based, air based or space based. And these sensors may be passive or active, which will obtain information in the different electromagnetic spectrum range, and we use this data in various ways. What is GIS? GIS is the short form for Geographic Information System. Simply defined, GIS is a computer system for managing spatial data. It can answer questions about where things are or about what is located in a given location. What we do with the help of GIS? We generate, store, edit, analyze, manipulate, display and disseminate the spatial data. These are the various softwares that are used to process these spatial data. What are the applications of remote sensing and GIS? If you consider civil engineering, we use it for transportation planning, flood mapping and disaster management, rural and urban development, surveying and mapping of the land, an upcoming field of computer science, electronics and communication and mechatronics. Digital image processing is a subfield of remote sensing and GIS. Satellite communication, which is also a field of electronics and communication and mechatronics, is associated with remote sensing and GIS. And much of the power of GIS comes from database management system that is designed to store and manipulate these attribute data related to spatial information, which is a field of computer science and engineering. Telecom and network analysis, which is a field of electronics and communication, also uses remote sensing and GIS. By combining artificial intelligence and machine learning, we can also produce super maps. Here are the other applications of remote sensing and GIS. It is used in dairy industry, fishing, banking, finance and tax, agriculture, criminology, last but not the least, to obtain information or to analyze spatial data related to COVID-19, GIS and remote sensing is being used. Want to explore more about remote sensing and GIS? Join open elective course in the Department of Civil Engineering. Course code is 18CV651. You will be taught about basics of remote sensing platforms and sensors, basics of digital image processing, about GIS, data models of GIS, and applications of remote sensing and GIS. Thank you.